Hey unicorns, I'm Victoria Lynn and I have something so exciting to share with you, and that is that Biobelle is having a sale, 50% off site-wide right now until May 15th. And yes, I said it, 50% off everything on their site. Any purchase of your choice is 50% off using code 50OFF site-wide. This is awesome if you're looking for a gift for mom for Mother's Day or something to pamper yourself, but be sure you check it out before May 15th. One of my favorite things on the site right now is actually 50% off, and it's the DIY glow kit. You can mix and match 12 masks of your choice and you get this free glitter bag with it. And how cute is this? You can just pop your masks right in. I love this bag. I think it is so cute. You can store everything in here, all of your masks. If you love unicorns and you love chocolate, you will really love Unicorn Glow. This is my favorite. The chocolate and the mulberry act together to really brighten the skin tone, make it nice and glowy, while the honey really softens the skin. The glam mask is pretty beautiful. It's actually a black lace mask. This one is so gorgeous. The black tea in this mask is going to renew the skin, making it look healthier and firmer, while the glycolic acid will really re-energize, refine the pores, and brighten up the skin. I Woke Up Like This is going to give the appearance of younger, brighter looking skin. So this is like time in a face mask. I love this one because it's really refreshing. It's infused with vitamin C and wild rose, so it smells really nice, and it's just really beautiful because it's gonna restore that glow to the skin. And I love applying this and then afterward just going makeup free for the rest of the day because your skin is just so glowy and beautiful. The glam mask is hydrogel lace, so you get the lace look with a soft hydrogel feel, so it feels so hydrating on the skin, and you just want to smooth it right onto the skin like this. So now we're gonna leave this mask on for 15 minutes and we're just gonna let it sit. I have a timer on my phone so we can let the glam mask do its magic. All right, so it's time to take off the glam mask and see how the skin looks. Ooh, it feels really, really soft and fresh. So after you've done the glam mask, it's time to rinse it off. So you can go in with a cotton pad and some toner, or you can just rinse off in the sink and do your normal skincare routine. I like to go ahead and rinse off all of the product and then move on to glam after. I think it's time for some unicorn glam. There's so many masks to choose from, so be sure you swipe up now and check them out.